Hello, good morning. My name is Gulam Rabbani, and today I'm going to present my presentation for the topic accounting for income tax. Today I have selected one SS listed company BHP with the recent 2 years annual reports. So I'm going to discuss the practice and tactics used by the BHP group. There are the following four components I'm especially going to discuss, which are the accounting profit, taxable profit, current tax, and deferred tax. In the introduction, I'm going to say that income tax is heavily regulated in Australia. International Accounting Standard, especially Standard Number 12, deals with the treatment to income tax in accounting. Your income tax accounting is considered complex and difficult to handle. Taxation of BHP Group is reviewed in this assessment. For the BHP, I want to tell you that BHP is a multinational company involved in mining, petroleum, and metals. It is headquartered it is headquartered in Melbourne and founded in 1885. Accounting profits and taxable profits. Accounting profits are equal to total revenue minus cost of goods sold plus operational cost. Taxable profit and accounting profits are usually similar due to the international standards. However, this is not always necessary. Taxable income profit may differ from accounting income profit due to local laws and regulations of the state, county, or country. The taxable income can be different from accounting income. Why the differences? Accounting versus taxable income. Principles and rules of taxation followed, permanent temporary differences, time related issues that ends in next accounting period, deferred tax and deferred tax liability, fines and violation of records, cannot be claimed in tax deductions in income. What are deferred tax assets and what are deferred tax liabilities? Deferred tax assets are the tax amount that has already been paid at the time of reporting. The advance tax is for the upcoming months or periods. Tax overpayments options are also available. Companies must show this as current assets. This also becomes source of difference between taxable and accounting income. Now, deferred tax liability. Deferred tax liability are the taxes that are unpaid at the time of reporting or recording of financial statements. Non-payments of tax is due to conflict between company and tax collection authority or delays in payment by the company. Such non-payments are recorded in current liabilities of the financial statements. These also brings differences in accounting and taxable income. Taxation accounting practice at BHP Group. I have already stated in my assignment that total income reported on 30th of June 2019 is 15,049 million. So our income tax is 4,514 million. When we have multiplied with 30% company's tax rate. Income tax reported by BHP is 5,529 million, and now the difference comes as 1,015 million difference. Reasons for the differences. There are the three reasons that I have discussed here. One is the global business operations, deferred tax asset, deferred tax liabilities, and non-tax items. Global business operations. Company operates in different countries, and difference in tax laws and rates can be the source of differences. Deferred tax assets liabilities. Tax assets were not recognized previously and are now catered. Non-tax items. Various items in the income statement are those that are not taxable or can be used for tax deductions. Tax related entries in BHP financial statements. Deferred tax liabilities, deferred tax assets. Deferred tax liabilities are 3,234 million. Deferred tax assets are 3,764 million. Current tax assets and income tax payable. Current tax assets are 124 million. Income tax payable is 1,546 million. Income tax expense and income tax paid. Actual income tax paid is 5,999 million and income tax due is 5,529 million. This shows their tax due from previous year and also some paid in advance. Insights and the themes: global business operations, royalty related taxation, international accounting standards reduces differences. Companies must align their taxation practices with laws and international standards. Permanent differences: accounting standards are different with taxation regulations and practice. Such differences are called permanent and cannot be removed. This creates gaps between the effective tax rate and statutory rate imposed by the government. Conclusion: BHP provides minute details about the taxation and its treatment. The difference in tax due and tax paid is due to various factors. Few factors are temporary and few are permanent. Future tax payments are adjusted in next accounting period. International accounting standards help in reducing difference in taxable income. To sum it up, it can be said that outcomes of taxation, accounting, and differences between taxation values and book values arise because of differences in treatment of items, but also because of a collection of internal and external factors that influence selection of accounting tools. With the accounting tool being used having a major influence on how individual items are treated, it is clear that the nature of operations, organizational position, and goals are all reviewed before choosing and executing accounting methods. So, with this, I'm going to conclude my presentation. I hope you, you'll give me good remarks on this one for my work. Thank you so much, sir.